Hi everyone, this is Miss Griffith once again. I have a math lesson for you today. Starting today, I am going to do a math review. So I am going to work on single digit addition and addition within 20 today. And I will continue to review math facts throughout the rest of the school year. For the purpose of this video, I am going to demonstrate multiple ways or multiple strategies on how to solve these addition problems. The first problem is 5 plus 7. So I would be taking 5 objects and adding 7 objects and solving to get the answer. For the purpose of this problem, I'm going to draw dots to help me solve. I'm first going to draw 5 dots because that is my first number. I then am going to draw 7 dots for my second number. Now that I have my dots drawn, I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 and 5 together make 12. Moving on to the next problem, 3 plus 6. Three dots for 3 and 6 dots for 6. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 7 plus 7. I drew 7 dots for the number 7, and I'll draw 7 more for the second 7. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 9 plus 4. I'm going to switch markers since that one is becoming hard to see. I'm going to draw 9 dots. 1, 2. And now I'm going to draw 4 dots. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 plus 4 equals 13. For the first 4 problems, I drew dots to help me solve. For the next 4 problems, I am going to use a number line here to help me solve the problems. I have 6 plus 9. I'm first going to make a dot on the number 6 because that is my starting point. And I'm going to go over 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I started at 6, went over 9, and landed on the number 15. 6 plus 9 equals 15. The next problem is 9 plus 7. Using the number line, I will start at the number 9. I'll put a dot right here because that is the number I'm starting at, and I'll go over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I started at 9 and went over 7. I landed on 16. 9 plus 7 equals 16. The next problem is 6 plus 8. Using the number line, I will draw a dot on 6 because that is my starting point, and I'm going to go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I started at 6, went over 8, and landed on 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. And my last problem on this row is 4 plus 8. Using the number line, I am going to start at the number 4, going to make a dot there, and I'm going to go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I started at 4 and went over 8 to land on 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. I used a number line to help me solve these 4 problems, which were addition within 20. To continue working on the addition problems given to me, I am now going to use tens frames to help me solve. I have 2 tens frames here. The first problem I'm going to solve is 10 plus 1. To represent 10, I would need to have 1 tens frame completely filled, and then 1 in the second tens frame. Knowing that there are 10 in a tens frame, I can count 10, 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Moving on, our next problem is 4 plus 6. I'm going to draw 4 in my first tens frame, and then I'm going to continue on to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was able to draw 4 and 6 in my 1 tens frame. I have filled up my tens frame, so 4 plus 6 equals 10. The next problem is 2 plus 8. I'm going to use my tens frame here. 1, 2. So I first filled in 2 out of my tens frames, and then I'm going to make 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8 together filled up my tens frame, so I know that 2 plus 8 equals 10. For the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and stop here. We were able to use a process of drawing dots, using a number line, and using a tens frame to help us solve these addition problems. Keep practicing these addition problems. Bye.